Hey there, from Bugeye guys. This is a fun car and I wanted to take you for a drive with me. I thought you would enjoy this. This is an early 58 car and it screams. It's got a 1275 and a supercharger, and see if you can hear it in these little driving clips. So you should be able to get an idea that this car is a bit of a wolf in sheep's clothing. It is a completely stock looking car, and not only that, it's an early thin windshield car. So it really looks like your basic plain vanilla Bugeye in a sense. And that's not what you have. It's a great fun car. Just a great car to enjoy. And the handling here, you can see it just does no body roll and super easy to throw this car into the turns. It's just like zero intimidation factor as a driver. And good brakes as well. This has disc brakes in the front. And here I am hard on those brakes, testing them, showing you that the car stops really nicely, and then even rolling and shifting into first. What a joy, because it has a 5-speed Datsun fully synchronized gearbox. And no shortage of fun. Lots of power so you can induce oversteer with the throttle. I think for me to just have such a flickable little car that's so tight, that's not rattling, doesn't have any scuttle shake. You can do these little slaloms and just transition. It's just a lot of fun at a very low speed. You don't have to go very fast to have that much fun in a Bugeye Sprite. So that's one of the things that I've always loved about these cars. And our customers, I think, would agree. It's just an easy car to get into and go, just have a great time. And you also have it's very easy to see your boundaries and to get a sense. You wear this car, you can get into a Bugeye and go drive it in a spirited way without much time or barrier or practice. You could just go out and have a really good time. And that's indicating close to 6,000 or maybe 5,500 RPMs. I believe this tachometer is reading too high. I think that's more like 4,200 RPMs or so. But certainly it's a free revving fun car with the supercharger. It's just got all that extra torque, and it comes to life in a way that the normally aspirated engines do not. And that is a big reason why I think this car is so special. An original looking early car, not many 58s are left, with all kinds of great performance fun stuff. And that's what we have this week from Bugeye guys.